So students, today exercise 3.2 decimals, terminating and non-terminating decimals. What do you mean by terminate? It means to end. Means which has end point is called terminating decimals, and the decimals which has no end point are called non-terminating decimals. Okay, so while converting fraction into decimal, if dividend is completely divisible by the divisor, then that is called terminating decimal. Means dividend will be completely divisible by the divisor without leaving any remainder. For example, take this 22 by 5. If you will divide this, 5 4s are 20, we'll get here 2 decimal 0, 5 4s are again 20. So this division has end point. It has ended here. So 4.4 is the terminating decimal. Okay. Now what are non-terminating decimal? So if the dividend is not completely divisible and the remainder is non-zero, no matter how long the division is, then the decimal is known as non-terminating decimal. Means, you will understand it. Suppose I am dividing it. This is the dividend, this is divisor. 7 3s are 21. So we get here 2 decimal 20. Then 7 2s are 14. 10 minus 4, 6. Then again one more zeros. 7 8s are 56. 10 minus 6, 4. Then again you can take one 0. 7 5s are 35. 10 minus 5. Then again 5. We'll get one 0. Then 7 7s are 49. So you can see. Again we have got the remainder. So this division is going on continuously. There is no end point of this division. So this kind of decimals are called non-terminating decimal, which will never end. Got it? Now next is recurring decimal. What do you mean by recurring? Recurring means repeating. Sometimes in a non-terminating decimals, a digit or a group of digits, you can say, repeat themselves. Such a decimal is known as recurring decimal. For example, 2 by 3 is equal to, if you will divide it, we will get 0.6666 like this. It will be continue to go on. 6 will be repeating. So this kind of decimals are known as recurring decimal. We can write it like this, 0.6, and above 6 we will have to put one bar. This bar shows that digit 6 is repeating continuously. If we are writing like this, no need to give dot 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 like this. Means this bar only shows that this 6 is repeating. One more example, 7.1234. Then 234 and again 234. This 234 is repeating again and again. So we can write it like this, 1 2 3 4. So 1 is not repeating, only 2 3 4 is repeating. So bar will be above 2 3 4. It shows that 2 3 4 is repeating. This kind of decimal is known as recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, and one more way to write it, 1 2 3 4, and above 2 and 4, if we'll give this 2 dot, this shows that 2 3 4 is repeating. Either you can give bar or this 2 dot. Got it? Now we have some examples of to find out which are terminating and which are non-terminating decimals. Suppose this 17 by 15, if you will divide, we will get 1.1333333, means 3 is repeating and it has no end. So this is called non-terminating decimal. 11 by 5, so we'll get its answer 2.2, and it is not repeating, or it has end point. The division has end here, 2.2, there is no remainder left in this. So this is called the terminating. And 23 by 0.7, if you will remove this decimal, we'll get here 0. 230 by 7, we'll get its answer 32.8571 and dot dot dot. This shows that this division is continue to go on. There is no end of this. So this is called non-terminating decimal. Clear what is terminating and what is non-terminating decimal? Now next is conversion of recurring decimal into fraction. In this you have to pay attention how to convert a recurring decimal into fractions. So the steps are 0.85 and you can see bar is above 5. Okay, so we can write it 0.8555 dot 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 dot, means bar is above 5 means only 5 is repeating, not 8. Okay, first step, first of all you have to let x is equal to 0.8555 dot dot dot. Just mark it as equation 1. So we have let x is equal to this. Next, bar is above 1 digit, only 1 digit. So we will multiply both sides of this equation by 10. So multiply both sides by 10. So if you will multiply x by 10, we'll get here 10x, and multiply this 0.8555 dot 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 into 10. We have multiplied. Next step, 10x is equal to, now I have taught you earlier that if you are multiplying the powers of 10 or powers of 10, the decimal will shift right side. So 1 0, so 1 digit decimal will shift here. So you can write it 8.555 dot dot dot. The answer will be this. Now after multiplying, you just mark it as equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Next step, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Means we have to subtract 1 from 2. So 2 is what? Both the side. 10x minus equation 1 left hand side is x is equal to equation 2 right hand side is 8.555 dot 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 minus 0.8555 dot dot dot. Subtracted equation 1 from equation 2. Now subtract it. 10x minus x will get here 9x. Okay. Now we have to subtract 0.8555 from 8.555. So we will write it like this, 8.555 minus 0.85. So this dot shows that 5 is repeating. 5 is repeating, so just this will be 0 0 0 only, all will get cancelled. 5 minus 5 will 0. Now it will take the borrow, 15 minus 8 7, and it will be 7.7. So after subtraction we will get 7.7. 9x is equal to 7.7. Next step is, if 9x is equal to 7.7 and we have to get the value of x, so this 9 will go in division. Okay, so x is equal to, you can remove this decimal. If you will remove the decimal, we'll get here 1 0. 77 by 90. X is equal to 77 by 90, and we have already let this x which is equal to this, means we have converted this decimal, means this recurring decimal, into fractional number. Got it? Recurring decimal into fractional number. This is the method you can apply for all other questions. Means if the bar is above 1 digit, you will multiply by 10 both the side. If the bar will be above 2 digit, then you will multiply both side by 100. If the bar will be above 3 digit, then you will multiply both side by 1000. So try these questions. Next video I will teach you approximation and significant figure. Okay.